Hello, and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Well, as I'm having trouble getting much of anything done, I might as well get some things done. I might as well. So, what does that mean? Well, I have this power bar, and it is a great assistance, but it's kind of in the way here. So, and as painful as this is, yes, it is painful. Painful. I'm going to move some of the accessories here into the buckets, including the, I should have got more of these. It's a retro rewind sticker. I should have got more. All right, so, yes. More clutter needs to go. Here's an on-air sign, though I can't find the bottom two. It's got to be around. It fell somewhere. Okay, so it is time to turn this pet off. And it is time to pop out this tape. What is this? Oh, okay. This is what I made to make sure I didn't screw up on what colors went to what things on the keyboard. I'll put that inside. So now I will unplug this data set. And this one I know is working in every respect. It's pretty. No, it's not terribly, but it's not bad either. But it works. And that is good. It is very, very good. And here we have some discs. Perhaps I will keep them handy, because it may be that I will be testing disk drives. Oh, and here are some cassettes. I'll set them up here. Oh, dear. Don't fall down. There's more to test here. Oh, yeah, here's my boxes from the 6x8 pictures I found that I need to go through. And here are some tapes for the pets. Yes, that went well. Very well. Very well indeed. I think I'm going to put this collection of pictures up there. And then I suppose I can decide, does this pet need to go down, or can it just get pushed to the back here? And the answer is, I'm not sure. I am not sure. I should take it down. This, of course. Hello. It's a dancing Molson Canadian kid. Oh. Is it really necessary? No. Did I lose it in that operation there? Did I manage to lose a tape? Oh, golly. Paste. Paste makes waste. Here we have a chip of 6526A with bent pins. Oh, I'll just throw it in there. Bent pins, broken pins, disastrous pins. Horrible, horrible. Oh, there's the tape. I guess it's still right there. Okay, I'll put it with the others. So now, as I look inside here, does this pet need to go on the floor? Or can I slide it right up there? Actually, I can get a little more. There's a TV here. Oh dear. And it's got a bit of a lip to it. I think if I'm careful, I can weasel that up on there a little bit. Oh, and here, I'll stick this inside too. This is the list I made to deal with the data sets I was working on. All right. So, oh, and here is a working data set that I don't want to lose. And I don't think it's going to take up any space there. So there. The dancing beer can sit there. All right, we're on the air. Now, comes the time I shift some things. Now, I was at the World of Commodore. Sorry, you may not be able to see me too well. And there was a tragedy. And that this wonderful fellow, Tom, has died. But thankfully, his interesting assortment of stuff was not thrown out or lost. For example, I picked up some discs there, which I will have to go through. What is here? Bunches of discs. What is this? Oh, Amiga stuff. Oh, a tape drive thing. What is it? I have no clue. No clue. Anyway, but why am I telling you this? Well, because, well, I'll tell you the short story thing of, and this is why I've been going to wound care for many weeks, in fact months, because wounds and infections are bad. Oh, sorry. This is a box of discs. Some of them I know that years ago that I had a hand in putting together, and they're for the 8050 disk drive, and that's why they're there. Okay. Now another thing I have here, and I got to fill this up so it shows better. But it's a sports bag. But it's not just any sports bag. It is a World of Commodore sports bag. So I got to put things into this and have it here. Actually, I should use it for something, but I'm afraid to because I want to keep it perfect. I do. So I'm going to put it over here. All right, so now, here is the 64 that I just got. It is not tested. The main reason I'm here, oh boy, just to get this monitor and sort out the cord. There we go. And get it up here, sitting nice and pretty and happy. There we go. So I can check out the 64 and the 1541's. That's there. There's the conversion sorted. Should I have taken the pet down? Well, maybe I should have. Maybe I should have. Now Now I need more cables. So I want to find my trusted Commodore 64 power supply, and I suppose I should find another Commodore 64 to make sure that we're working. Oh, come on. You know, some things that bug me when some things are just, they're too wide to go into the plugs that are available. And that charger, it doesn't leave space. It's bothersome. All right, monitor in, power, yay, good. And we'll turn it on, let it warm up a bit. And put this microphone down here. It should be all charged. Great. Well, I guess I have to get up. All right. I'm going to stand up, and I'm going to look over here. Aha, here is very likely a working 64. Why do I think that? Because it has the Bradley's basic cartridge stuck inside of it. And just a moment. We'll go over here. Now, funny thing, I think I still have stuff in the car from the world of Commodore, including, but not limited to, the 128 power supply that I was using. Oh, sorry, not the 128, but the Commodore 64 power supply is the same as the 128 that they sold with the 1764 RAM expander, which was a great reason to get the RAM expander, because you ended up with a great power supply. All right, so now I'm back on the door here, and I suspect also I have left cables. Oh no! No! Oh, I hate when that happens. I hate when things fall. I hate when they fall. Okay. So, I have a power supply. It says it works. I wrote it on it. And here we have a video cable that it actually had 8 pins. But somebody, not me, cut 3 of them out. They did. So, but that should be okay. Now, wait a second. Is this monitor on? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. All right. Oh. Yes, there's nothing involved in getting ready to do something different here. So, white audio. Red chroma. Yellow luma. Are we in the rear? We're in the rear. Always make sure with these monitors, you know for sure if you've got things lined up. Like, there's nothing worse than turning something on and saying, oh, it's not working, and spending a whole lot of time. When in fact, that switch that is front or rear is bad, or in the wrong position. It's not bad, it's just, anyway, just in the wrong position. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, so now, even though this power supply says it's okay, it does. I will plug into it here, and I will see that it indeed says 5.19. That's good. Oh, sorry, Commodore 64 going up here. So, if all is good and well in the world, I should be able to turn this monitor on. Ay, 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 ay. Move the cord. I'm going to leave Bradley's basic in. Power switch is off. The power supply is going in. The cord does not need to be blocking the monitor. The power cord does not need to be blocking the monitor. I'll turn on. And up it comes. Black on white. That's the great thing about this thing that Matthew Desmond gave me. Not that this year's World of Commodore, the last one. If you're interested more in what he does, he has a website. It's called factorofmat.com. And it's exactly as it sounds, FACTOROFMATT.com. So, yes, it has basic 4 commands. I can do great things here. All right. Go over there, power supply. Go, go, go. Okay, so now I am set up to test things. And so, I'll see about testing them. Starting with this Commodore 64 that I just got. That I shouldn't have got, but I did get. So, you know, things happen. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.